Which of the samples below is likely to end up with biased results? Obi wants to know how often people go to the cinema. He decides to conduct a survey outside of the cinema on a Saturday afternoon. So what's wrong with this sample? He wants to know how often people go to the cinema in general. He's conducting a survey outside of the cinema, so his sample is going to consist largely of people who went to the cinema. So there's an inherent bias here. He's going to get a larger proportion of people who go to the cinema than would exist in the general population. Josie wants to know how often people go into the city by car. She decides to conduct a survey by asking people who are in a city centre car park one weekday morning. Once again, she's in a car park in the city. Most of her sample is going to be people who went to the city by car. So it's not going to be representative of the general population. Juliet wants to know how often students at her school go to AFL games. She asks a variety of students chosen at random from a list of students at the school. This is more representative. She's looking at the general population and seeing how many go to AFL games. It would be biased if she went to an AFL game and asked people if they were coming out. But this would be the best of the surveys in this question.